Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with quadratic equations of class 10th, finding the roots of the equation. This is 12th question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x squared plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0, then find the value of alpha by beta minus 1 plus beta by alpha minus 1, and options are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now take the given quadratic equation x squared plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0, put it as equation 1. We need to find alpha by beta minus 1 plus beta by alpha minus 1. We need to simplify this equation in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. We should get a result as alpha plus beta and also alpha beta. Okay, now compare equation 1 with standard quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So write on the coefficient guys, that is multiplying factors. X square coefficient is 1 and x coefficient is 2 and constant value is 6. This one you keep aside. First of all, we need to simplify this value. Okay, and alpha plus beta is nothing but sum of the roots. The formula is minus b by a, we get minus 2 by 1, and product of the roots is alpha beta, we get c by a, that is minus 6 by 1, that equal to minus 6. This one you keep aside. Then we need to simplify this one. So take the given, for the given equation, take LCM. We get beta minus 1 and alpha minus 1. So we get alpha into alpha minus 1 plus beta into beta minus 1 guys. So simplify, we get alpha square plus beta square minus alpha minus beta by alpha beta minus, here I took as minus common, then it becomes alpha plus beta. Why I took minus? Because we need to convert in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Whatever the equation given, we need to convert in terms of alpha plus beta, that is sum of the roots, and alpha beta. Okay, then alpha square plus beta square minus alpha plus beta by alpha beta minus alpha plus beta plus 1. So here guys, this is in this form, this is alpha beta also in this form, but alpha square plus beta square again we need to convert in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we know a plus b whole square formula, right? So from that, if you make a square plus b square as subject, then we get remaining terms. That only I mentioned here. A plus b whole square, in that if you make all a square plus b square as subject, we get a plus b whole square minus 2ab. In place of alpha square plus beta square, we can replace by alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta, and remaining parts same ways we can write as it is. Now everything, the total equation is in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, now substitute the values of sum of the roots and product of roots. I substituted all the values and I simplified. We get 12 by minus 3, that equal to minus 4. We get option D guys. The result is minus 4. We get option 4, that is option D. I hope you understand this sum. Please go through this sum once again. If for any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.